Welcome to Empowering Voices, the podcast where we amplify the voices of women and discuss important topics that affect our communities. Ngayong araw, makakasama natin ang mga trainees ng Test the Women Center at pag-uusapan natin ang mga topics na end violence against women and children at ang Safe Spaces Act or Bawal Bastos Law. Bago tayo magsimula, pwede bang magpakilala muna kayo and can each of you share kung anong courses or qualification ang tinapos nyo na sa Test the Women Center?
Hello everyone, I am Luis Justin po and you can call me LJ, sir. And I finished Barista NC2 and I am the current Secretary of Trainees Council in TWC.
Hello everyone, I am Angela Bilia and I just recently graduated Plumbing NC1 here at Test the Women Center and I am also currently taking Plumbing NC2.
Thank you very much, LJ and Jella. Pag-usapan na natin ang unang topic. Maari bang ipaliwanag ng isa sa inyo kung ano ang tungkol sa End Violence Against Women and Children campaign?
Ang NVOW campaign ay naglalayong alisin ang lahat ng anyo ng karahasan laban sa kababaihan at mga bata. It promotes awareness, advocacy, and support system para maprotektahan ang vulnerable population.
This campaign aims to raise awareness tungkol sa mga karahasan na laban sa mga kababaihan. Ang Test the Women Center din po ay nangunguna sa pag-organize nito bilang Secretariat ng TESDA Gender and Development Focal Point System. Meron po kaming isinasagawang iba't ibang activities dito tulad ng mga workshops, symposiums, seminars, and ngayon naman po ay itong podcast kasama din po sa mga activities.
Ang galing ano? Meron bang mga activities na pwedeng makisali or makilahok ang mga trainees?
Yes po, meron. We participate sa mga kick-off activities and uma-attend din kami ng mga symposium and webinars like Ate Angela said.
Speaking of education, I know TWC also conducts webinars and symposiums, focuses on Safe Spaces Act. Naka-attend na ba kayo sa mga seminar katulad nito?
Yes po, naka-attend po kami actually sa webinar. Yung webinar po ng Safe Spaces Act is i-discuss po doon yung mga layunin and yung mga tungkol sa Safe Spaces Act law. Nalaman po namin through doon na ang layunin ng Safe Spaces Act is protektahan ang mga individual sa mga pampublikong lugar mula sa pang-aabuso at karahasan na maaari naming ma-experience. Pinapakilos po nito ang mga lokal na pamahalaan na lumikha ng mga ligtas na kapaligiran at nagtatakda ng mga parusa sa mga napatunayang maaaring magkasala or lumabag sa batas na ito.
That's so crucial to know. Ngayon naman, gusto naming malaman, how does TWC support this initiative through its webinars and symposiums?
Ang TWC po ay nag-organize ng orientation that helps trainees to understand their rights under the Safe Spaces Act. Para po ito sa training orientation program and gender sensitivity training. Nagdi-discuss din sila on how to report incident of harassments and how to advocate for safer community.
And I've noticed posters around Test the Women Center promoting these initiatives. How does these visual campaigns contribute to the overall message?
Yung mga posters po na nakikita nyo around Test the Women Center, especially the ones na nakikita nyo po sa ground floor near the entrance, it serves po kasi as a constant reminder of our commitment to ending the violence against women and children. Nagbibigay po ito ng mga mahahalagang mga information at nanghihikayat din po ito para mas mapag-usapan po natin not just the trainees but also yung mga bisita po na laging pumupunta sa mga sa TWC. And tungkol na rin po sa paksa ng NVAWC at Safe Spaces Act.
It's great to see such proactive measures. But before we wrap up, what messages would you like to share with our listeners about participating in these initiatives?
Ayun po. We invite everyone to join sa mga advocacy activities and attend ng mga GAD webinars and also sa pag-share po ng mga information tungkol dito ay mahalaga din para patuluyang paglikha ng mas ligtas and inclusive na spaces para sa lahat.
Ayun, so bali, I am encouraging everyone to be not afraid, especially the women, if you want to pursue a work or if you want to gain skills na related sa traditional male-dominated na sector or field, because there are organizations who supports us, and there are also laws na like, for example, based on my experience, here at That's the Women's Center, they accommodate women to pursue, like, for example, ako po, nagtitake po ako ng plumbing, which is not the usual na qualification na tinitake ng mga women. And it's a stereotype na kapag women, they can't handle construction works. But here at That's the Women, they empower women that they can do what other people can also do. And they also makes us safe na, yan, sige, kaya mo yung gawin, na don't just limit yourself sa mga bagay na hindi mo kayang gawin. Yan po.
Thank you, LJ and Jella, for sharing your insights and experiences today. It's inspiring to hear how TESDA and TESDA Women's Center are making a difference. Thank you for tuning in to Empowering Voices. Remember, together we can create a world free from violence. Until next time, stay safe and empowered.
Vow, bigyang wakas, ngayon na ang oras.